Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. Are you a Fox News enthusiast looking for a convenient way to stay informed? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to access Fox News live directly through YouTube TV. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. So what will we cover? First, we'll quickly explain what YouTube TV is. Then, we'll confirm if Fox News is indeed available on YouTube TV in your area. And finally, we'll show you exactly how to find and watch Fox News live. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what YouTube TV actually is. Simply put, it's a subscription-based streaming service that offers live TV channels, much like cable or satellite, but delivered over the internet. It includes major networks, sports channels, and yes, news channels like Fox News. Now the big question, is Fox News actually available on YouTube TV? The answer is generally yes, but availability can depend on your location. The good news is YouTube TV usually carries Fox News, Fox Business, and Fox News local channels in most US markets. To check if it's available in your area, the easiest way is to visit the YouTube TV website and enter your zip code. This will show you a list of all the available channels in your region. You can also check your YouTube TV app after signing up for a free trial. Look for Fox News in the channel guide. Alright, let's assume Fox News is available in your area. Here's how to watch it live. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Navigate to the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, like Roku or Chromecast, computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account. Step 2. Navigate to the Live tab. This is usually located on the bottom or left-hand side of the screen, depending on your device. Clicking on the Live tab will bring up the channel guide. Step 3. Find Fox News. Scroll through the channel guide until you locate Fox News. You can also use the search function, which is usually a magnifying glass icon, and type in Fox News. Step 4. Click to watch. Once you've found Fox News, simply click on the channel, and the live broadcast will start playing. And that's it. You're now watching Fox News live on YouTube TV. Pro tip, YouTube TV also allows you to record shows and watch them later. So if there's a particular program you don't want to miss, be sure to add it to your library. So there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to watch Fox News live on YouTube TV. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.